guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be doing our wig maintenance routine. So I'll be using all Bond Bar products. You can get these at Sally Beauty. They're relatively cost effective, so that's pretty good if you need to upkeep your wig and you're trying to do it on a little bit of a budget. But yeah, let's get into it. So first things first, you want to start with a detangled wig. Detangle it before you start wetting it. And then we're gonna go in and saturate the wig completely, and then go ahead and use our Bond Bar shampoo. This shampoo is great for just getting out dirt and debris while also not drying out the hair too much, because as you know, extensions are not connected to your head, so they need all the help they're gonna get as far as moisture. So we're just gonna run this all the way through and make sure to get the lace and clean off any product or any makeup that's on the lace, and make sure it's all clean for your next install. I like to go through and comb the shampoo through the hair just so that it gets on every piece of hair and gets all of the dirt and oil and product out of the hair. Once you finish shampooing it thoroughly and everything is looking clean, you can go and rinse it out. I like to maintain the part that I have while I'm rinsing and while I'm washing, just so that it's easier for me come styling time, and I don't have to repart everything completely, and you can just really style it quickly after. Once it's been washed, you can go ahead and grab your conditioner. I like to focus it mostly on the ends, but you want to put it throughout the hair, just avoiding the lace area, just because it's tied on by hand and it can loosen your knots and make your closure shed or your lace shed faster than it needs to. Again, we're combing it through so that it gets on every strand. I like to leave my conditioner for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll just rinse it out before I go in with the actual treatment. Now, I like to do a treatment on the hair every so often, just because, like I said, it's not connected to your head, so it's not getting those nutrients. And also, if you do have color treated hair, this is just something that you should always be doing to make sure that your wig and your hair is lasting as long as possible, and that it looks as good as possible when you're styling it. Post wash, before I air dry, I like to put a little bit of this serum from Design Me. It's a gloss serum, just gives it a little bit of shine and some moisture, put back into the hair, and then I do let it air dry overnight, and then when I go into styling the next day, it's all dry and the part is still in it. Now, we're not going to go over a full styling, but I am going to go over what I do to the lace part. You can style the hair as you please, but please make sure that you're putting heat protectant on the hair before you start styling it, to maintain the integrity of the hair and keep it healthy. And then I just like to go in and flatten the closure area or whatever lace you have, flatten that out, and pushing the hairs from the front back out of the way so that you can see the nice plucking that we've done. And then yeah, you're just going to want to make sure that you go in sections and flatten it out. This is how you get the flattest lace ever, and it looks like scalp. You go in sections. You don't want to be doing it all at once, because then it will have bumps and humps and lumps, and we don't want that. Because I'm just doing the lace right now, I'm just going to go ahead and spray it with some light hold spray, and then I'm going to just part out the back areas to cover that last track. And then I do this just so that some of the flyaways can go down, and I don't want to put my wax stick yet because I'm not into the proper styling yet, but I'll do that towards the end when I'm styling it. And this is the final result after I've styled the hair. Mind you, this hair is over a year old, and this is how it looks straight after styling. No tangles, no problems. It's all nice and clean. Thanks for watching. You need to give it up. Had about enough.